Storing contacts on your Google Pixel 10 makes it easier to call, message, or sync numbers across your Google account without ever losing them. Here's how to add and edit a contact. From the home screen, swipe up to open the Apps menu, then tap Contacts. To add a new contact, tap the plus symbol. You might be prompted to choose where you want the contact to be saved in both the device and your account, or just on the device only. Enter the person's name and other information, then choose Phone and type in their number. Scroll down and pick the label you want, such as Mobile, Home, or Work. When you're done, tap Save at the top. Your new contact will now appear in the list. To edit it later, open the contact, tap the edit symbol, and update the details just as you did before. This feature is especially useful if you want to organize work and personal contacts separately, add multiple numbers for the same person, or keep details synced across all your devices through your Google account. If this video helped you manage contacts more easily on your Pixel 10, please give it a like, or watch another video to learn more ways to master your device.